Good morning. Today I'm going to be talking to you about the strategy of concept attainment by the way of a trip to Costco. First off, what is concept attainment? Concept attainment is the process of teaching an idea or a concept through the use of examples and non examples, or commonly known as yes or no examples. So, in order to do this, with our trip to Costco, I essentially laid out a plan for what I like to do when I go to Costco, which is separating between what are essential items that I need to buy and non essential items. So you can see our essential items would be our yes examples, and our non essential items would be our no examples. So for me, when I go to Costco, an essential item would be something like water, toilet paper, paper towels, and frozen chicken. Non essential items would be things like fruit, clothes, TV or other electronics, and furniture. Now, as you go through, go ahead and make your own list. Your list could look something like this for when you go to Costco, something that you deem essential. As students, you probably like soda, chips, or coffee. Non essential, according to other people and probably your parents, would be things like candy, outdoor equipment or camping equipment, and other things like fish that tend to go bad very fast. Now, after making and seeing these two lists between yours and mine, let's go ahead and draw some comparisons between the two in order to define what is essential and what isn't, and what are the similarities so that we can better understand what our concept is and what we're trying to understand between these lists. So the similarities between the lists. So between the two lists that we have created, the two examples, under essential we have water, toilet paper, paper towels, frozen chicken, soda, chips, and coffee. Non-essential we have fruit, clothes, TV, furniture, candy, outdoor equipment, and fish. Now, with your shoulder partner, go ahead and talk about what are some of the similarities and differences between these two lists. I'll give you a second to do that. Great. Now, as you come back, you might be able to see some of the main differences between our essential and non-essential lists, or our yes and no examples, are that our essentials are things that we need almost on an everyday basis. And so that is one of the big differences between what's in our non-essential list, which is a lot of these things we don't need on a daily basis as far as needing to constantly restock up on them. Whereas we constantly need things like water and toilet paper and chicken to eat, chips to eat, coffee to drink. Whereas on our non-essential list, and our no examples, okay, things like TV, we don't always need furniture, we don't always need new clothes. So that's the main difference, and that's how we are able to make a list, determine what is essential, what is not, and drawing similarities between the two in order to further create a bigger list. So now on your own, go ahead and refine and add to your list. Try to think of more essential items that you would get from a store like Costco and things that maybe aren't as essential. And as you do so, you'll be able to understand a little bit more about what is a priority for you when going to the store and what isn't.